What's going on, man? You all right?
I've had better days.
Got blood all over, yeah. Where's there's supposed to be a knife or something. Is there a knife anywhere?
That's my house over there. I announced to my wife last night I want a divorce. And 20, 30 minutes ago, my wife and daughter, a frying pan and a knife.
Okay.
And I got a couple blows and
So she has a knife in the frying pan?
Yes, sir.
Across the street?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, hang tight. I got EMS coming, okay? Huh? Where you get hit at? You got a cut and you're, okay. 928. How old are you? 59? Tell EMS, 59-year-old, white male, bleeding profusely from the head. Hello.
Have you been stabbed anywhere?
No, just my head was not coming.
Okay.
Are you who are you to the
I live here.
You live here? Okay, so you're just a neighbor?
She's over there?
Gotcha. Okay.
Okay. Tell me what happened.
I told my wife last night I want the divorce.
Okay.
And we argued for several hours. And I went to bed, and 20 minutes ago, I'm laying on my side, and
just applying pressure. They'll be there shortly.
and my daughter comes with a knife.
Okay.
And I took the frying pan
Get that.
away.
Trying to clean your...
Are you hurt anywhere else besides your head?
And just my head.
Just your head? Okay. I got you. Just relax, man. We'll take care of you.
Knife.
You're bleeding, but it's not like
No,
it's in your eye, so it seems like it's worse, but it's actually not that bad.
I'm going to put some pressure on it so we can stop the bleeding, okay?
I'm just more confused and confused.
I got you. You said she hit you with a knife and a frying pan?
There's a large cast
I know it hurts.
I know it hurts, man. Just
large frying pan.
okay. And where's the knife?
I wrestled it away.
You wrestled away?
I threw it away, and I shoved him down and ran out.
Okay. So did she?
Hurt him. I don't want to hurt him. I'm larger than that.
So you said she hit you with the frying pan. Did she hit you with a knife too?
She did.
She did. Okay, and that was.
Do you know where?
Yeah.
I think that was over here.
Okay. So she hit you in the she hit you with a frying pan and a knife in the head.
Yeah, and then she put a belt around my neck and pulled me down when my daughter was on top of me.
What's her name?
Pam Davis.
Pam.
Pam Davis.
I'm gonna make contact with her.
Hello? Sheriff's office.
Okay.
Please look at my mom first.
928 Central. Tell EMS I got 2 more victims in here. Lots of blood. Stand by. I'll try to get test the wounds.
She's a cancer patient.
Affirmative. We got 3 victims so far. Okay, is there a knife anywhere? Real quick.
I don't know where. It was down the hall.
Okay, as long as I'm not gonna get stabbed while I'm trying to help you guys. Okay. All right. All right. Are you hurt anywhere besides just right here?
Yeah.
Where are you hurt else besides there?
My stomach and my back.
Okay. Is this just your arm, ma'am, right here?
That and this, and then when I went down the stairs, he threw me, and then I hit the
Okay.
the ammo bucket of stuff, and
Hit your head?
I twisted through here, and I've had
Brain surgery.
Okay, I understand you're hurt and it's chaotic. Just try to relax. Let me try to get here first, okay? It's just the open cut you have right here? Is this it?
I have that one, this one, and then somewhere up here I hit my head and it cut.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 62.
No, I'm 28. Second victim, gonna be a 62-year-old female. I'd say about 150 pounds. Deep laceration in the left arm, right arm, and head.
It started last night. He gave me a because I got the right
That's where you got a deep laceration on left arm. You cut out on the right arm.
He started this at 11 o'clock last night. He's done this before.
Deep laceration in the left arm, right arm, bleeding a little bit from the head. Stand by for third victim. So what are you? I see you're cut. You're cut. You got stomach. It appears so. Slashed, more like it. No puncture wound. Looks like slash marks. How old are you, ma'am?
I'm 30 on February 19th of this year.
920 Central. Your third victim is going to be a 30-year-old female, 160 pounds. Got about 7 or 8 pretty decent sized slash wounds from a knife bleeding. Alright, hang tight. Let me see if I can get some gauze or something, okay? I'll be back. Man, you okay? I don't want you passing out, okay? Just hang tight for me, okay? I'm gonna get some EMS over here. Hey, if we can get someone over here too. I got multiple victims. 64-year-old female, deep cuts, and then I got a 30-year-old female. There's 2 other victims. 2 are in there. We need some gauze over here. All 3 of them have deep cuts, laceration. The wife and the daughter in there. Cuts all over the place. He's got cuts. You got a med kit? I got a little bit of gauze on me. Yeah. I'm gonna get that female on there.
Get some gauze.
Yeah, I wanna apply pressure while we're waiting.
4 6 1. We're gonna have a total of 5 patients here.
I think there's 2 in there and then 1 in here, I think, unless there's more that I don't know about.
No.
Everybody's on budget here.
If you enjoyed this video, help me grow this channel, and hit a like and subscribe. Thanks.